Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is on how to log in into your Best Buy credit card account. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Best Buy credit card login. As the page loads up, you can see the options here. Click on the first option, Best Buy credit card login. After that, you will be taken to the login page. Over here, enter your user ID. And if you want to stay logged in, mark the checkbox before remember my user ID. And over here enter your password of your account. Once you do that, click on the sign on button. If you guys want to retrieve your user ID, you can click on retrieve user ID over here. And you guys can reset your password by clicking on reset password. Also, you guys can create your new credit card account by clicking on register your card. So that's all for this video guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.